whether you know the importance of a range in forex market. It is very effective because you know the face of the market moves from a ranging market to a trending market. And you know what? A ranging market is the one produces a trending market. When does this happen? When a breakout takes place. So guys, I would love you to stick here till the end as I show you one great indicator that detects ranges by Lux Algo, a very great indicator that is not repainting, that is working on real time. So it will be easy for you to detect a range. After a range, you will know how to execute your trades. Okay, so guys, without further ado, I want us to add the indicator. And so you're just going to click on indicator style, then you're just going to type range detector Lux Algo. This one over here, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on the chart. And basically guys, as you can see on live market over here, the market is actually below the range. It has already broken our range over there, and so the market has a probability of proceeding to the downside. So you can see the indicator is working on real time. It is not repainting as well. And for clarity, I would love to tell you, in forex market, for you to be able to take trades, you have to understand the types of ranges. Okay, many people tells you that you're not supposed to trade a range market, and you found yourself sometimes losing opportunities because you will hear 80% of the time the market really ranges. That's what you will hear. And so guys, will you keep on losing opportunities because the market is ranging and so you're not going to execute trades? I'm not really against like you're not supposed to trade a ranging market. For real, you shouldn't. A ranging market like this, you cannot. Your spreads cannot allow you even to make $1. A range like this is not tradable as well. So guys, understand the two types of ranges. Please understand the types of ranges. And just for clarity, because I want us to focus on this indicator today, I would love to tell you, number one, we have a range that is super close to each other and a range that is far from each other. A super close to each other is what we have on our chart over here. So the one that is far from each other is where we have high and low far away from each other. Imagine a range like this is so tradable. Let's say you take your buy order over here, you exit here, you have made like over 20 pips. Again, you sell here and exit here, you have made another 20 pips. Again, you buy here, you sell here. You know, a range like this is super tradable, but a range like this, you cannot trade it. So we're not using this indicator to trade. This indicator is actually helping us really know these detected ranges. You understand me? And so guys, how can you use this indicator to execute your trades? I know you can ask me, so you've said we cannot use this indicator to trade. Why are you showing us about this indicator? I have a reason why I have decided to talk about this indicator. Number one, guys, I told you face is a range market, then a trending market. You have to keep that in mind. And so guys, this indicator is very effective because number one, your top line, you can use it as your resistance, and the lower line, you can use it as your support. And basically guys, when price is actually in the middle of these lines over here, you're not supposed to take your trades. I've told you that because this is a range you cannot really trade. Some of us, surprisingly, they use brokers who have spreads like this. That's what makes me wonder, like, what are you guys thinking about forex? Look for a broker with tight spreads. So back to our point, guys, you're not supposed to trade a range market like this. But what you'll be paying attention to and what you'll be concentrating on right here is waiting to see where the market will break out to, or rather waiting for a breakout. That's what I want to talk right now. What is basically happening over here? We got a breakout right here. The market really proceeded to the downside, and so what we expected is a retest. The retest was unable to enter into the ranging channel. That's what I can call it, and so it proceeds to the downside. So there is a probability on live market this market proceeding to the downside. That's how you can use this indicator to execute trades. You understand me? Here again, let's go back to past events. You can see the market was really consolidating here. We got a breakout, then we had a retest, and these are actually smart money games because the retest, most of you really think that it should not break below your resistance line. It can be because this is smart money tricks over here, okay? And so, and later on broke above it, and it really proceeds to the upside. You understand me? So guys, that's how effective this indicator is. You will be able to spot ranges. You'll be able also to spot a breakout, and it will be easy for you to trade. Okay, so guys, I'm using this on 5 minutes time frame Euro USD. You can look this on 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame. The same is actually happening, but unfortunately a range is on 5 minutes time frame, so that's why the market is behaving the way it is behaving right now. This was a retest, and so we're expecting the market to drop up to this level. If it breaks below, we can target this level. If it breaks below again, we're going to target this level over here. That's how effective it is. So guys, we have another example over here. We had a range like this is not tradable. So in these cases over here, guys, you wait for a breakout, and I've told you a retest can break below also your resistance level. This is smart money traps, okay? But later on the market rose, a retest in this was like this, and then the market proceeds. Here again we got a ranging market, candlestick really closed above it, and it was indeed a highly pushed. When it was trying to retest, it formed another range, and now a breakout took place. So guys, this indicator is super effective. It is an indicator by Lux Algo called the range detector. If you use it this way, it is going to help you. I saw another video saying like you can trade a range. For real, you cannot trade a range like this. I'm against that, guys, and I've shown you a reason why you should not trade a range like this. Number one, for a repeat, your spreads cannot allow you to take trades in a market like this. Your spreads cannot allow you at any given point. Or rather, when you take your trades right here, how many pips are you going to make here? How many? You're not going to make money at all. All you're going to do is losing money. Mind you, you don't know whether the market will follow your direction when breakout will take place. So you have to be very careful, super careful when you're using this indicator. Kindly use it the way I've told you. This is 30 minutes time frame, and you can see on 30 minutes time frame still we don't have a range on live market. We only had a range on 5 minutes time frame. So it's good to be looking these indicators when you're doing your top-down analysis, and it will be easy for you to execute trades. Here again we got a range like this is not tradable. Here what I can basically say is waiting for a breakout, and for you to verify a very valid breakout is when candlestick closes above, like in this case over here. There was a retest, yes, but later on candlestick closed above momentum candlestick pattern, and it was indeed a push. Here again, you know how to use this. You know how to use this, and it will be easy, super easy for you to execute your trade. Ranges are very important because number one, this is where smart money are accumulating their orders. Even when you use what we call the volume profile, you will see they're going to highlight this consolidation, or rather these ranges, as the highly traded volume. They're going to highlight it because this is an area where smart money are accumulating the large orders. You know what? So that they can push the market to any direction they want to. And basically you can see after a range, the market really does good moves, or rather crazy moves. Okay, that's what you're supposed to keep back in your head. So these are not levels you should joke with. These are not levels you should ignore. These are not level where you should take your trades. The secret here is waiting to sell with the smart money. Follow the smart money direction, and so you will be able to take your trades on real time effectively, and you make more money than your losses. Okay, it is a strategy that I've given you, a very great strategy, and it's good, guys, you use it. Also, you can look for consolidation on 1 hour, because consolidation, they can happen anywhere, but I can tell you your rules must be met. You have to make sure where your candlestick are closing at, and it will be basically super easy for you to take your trades. Okay, so guys, that's what I had for today regarding this indicator by Lux Algo called the Lux Algo range detector, a super free indicator. You're not paying anything. The only thing you have to do is actually inserting it right on your chart. Once you insert it, you will be able to execute your trades effectively. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Liked this video as well. Success in everything you do. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Road to 10k subscribers, guys. Kindly let yours count, and the only way is subscribing to this channel. So what do I say, guys? Bye bye. See you in my next video.